Umbrella, Ella, Ella, A. Or can't
No, shut up.
This is the shirt you have on. Hello, I'm Andy.
I'm Nancy.
Welcome back to our channel. Today's video,
Demolition, the last of the demolition anyways.
yeah, and the start of the cabinet install. We're gonna get some storage pretty soon.
Finally.
Finally. We'll learn how to use a grinder.
Oh, Jesus! No, this will work just fine. Ew, I don't want to touch that. That's so gross. Muscles. Always better than a power tool. Oh, yuck. There's candy down there. Oh, it's just an empty wrapper. Oh, nope. The mouse must have been there.
Oh, he got some of your candy.
Yeah, he got some of my candy. Look at that.
It's a wonderful, I think, 70-degree day in Minnesota today. Nancy's back at the rental house. She's been doing laundry and getting stuff ready to move out of there. We only got a couple more weeks left there. I've been editing the Gish video all day, and Connor's been tearing apart the front of the bus. Let's see how he's doing. Four pieces of floor up. Looks like we gained some space underneath there if we want to add any in-floor storage. Not so much on this side. A little bit of lint left in there. Good job, bud.
Thank you.
You're going to take that piece out next now?
Yep.
Umbrella, Ella, Ella, A. Or can't
No, shut up.
This is the shirt you have on. Connor's been cleaning out the vents. He's just starting on this side here. You can see all the grossness. He's done a pretty good job on this side. It's not perfect, but we're just going to fill it in with expanding foam anyway, so it doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be less gross than that.
So we ran back home to shower and drop Connor off at the bus. And we ran to Menards on our way back to pick up our propane tanks because we finally figured out what we're going to do with that. And then figured we'd stop and get them on our way because we got a rebate back from our cabinets. And we got here and I just decided to come all the way back to the back of the parking lot and park and watch the people come in because it is so busy here that there's really nowhere to park that's nearby. So I figured the back was probably the best. Oh, and I just got a message from Andy that he's out. I gotta go pick him up. You can come with me. I'll set you here.
Coronavirus task force? Then again, what do I know? Idiot with a microphone talking smack on track. Oh, more breaking news.
There he
Sales
is.
increase. You see a double-digit blow up in Lakeville.
When it came to cutting the seat tracks off of the frame, that was a lot of work. That was very hard work, and Nancy was at the rental house while I did the first three. She came back and I was pretty frustrated by the time she got back. She recorded me as I cut the fourth one off, and
I think frustrated might actually be an understatement.
yeah, I wasn't very happy. I was very happy though that Nancy routed grooves in all of the other floorboards, so 35 of the 40 feet of bus floor.
Nancy for the win again.
Nancy for the win. Fucking about time.
Should my cup make an appearance in every video?
I don't know. Get the first bolt in here though, and it'll be a lot easier to not worry about kicking and moving that. Oh, that ain't moving. Broke my drill bit.
No.
Guess we'll be going to Menards.
1 hour later.
Hey, that one came out nice and smoky.
This one should be easy to reach. The other one maybe not as much.
I can stand in this, right?
Yes, you can.
Oh, I don't know if I can see what you're doing.
I can feel what I'm doing.
I bet if I had some light, I could. Did you do them both already?
Yeah, I got the nuts on. I can tighten up from the top now with an impact.
Okay, I was.
I think that's just fine.
And it already wasn't moving before you nut and
Right.
bolted to this.
And this is to replace plastic legs. I mean, the cabinet came with plastic legs, which just didn't seem like it'd be good enough. But I do like the rest of the cabinets. I like the drawer design.
And now we can put cabinets in. Yay!
Yeah, yay.
Yay!
Seems like we're moving somewhere now.
God, that's really exciting. This is like for real. Big foam tape on the steel frame so the cabinets don't go squeaky, squeaky, squeaky all the way down the road. Oh, here.
Thank you.
We have cabinets. We have cabinets. Connor, we have cabinets.
Yeah, they float pretty nicely.
Oh, yeah, I like that. That looks nice.
Give us that much more technical floor space.
I like that. It really does look nice. It looks more open under there.
Yeah.
I like that. So I'm recording this from the bays right now because it's really windy outside today and I'm not actually sure if you're going to be able to hear what I'm saying or if it's even going to be too windy in here. We installed the cabinet frame and the cabinets last night. Wow, God, that felt good. And now that we have all the cabinets and I've got to pull all the drawer fronts and drawer sets and doors and all that stuff out of here, I realized I've got a lot of stuff to pull from our rental to bring here because we have to be out of our rental in 1 week. Which is totally fine. I have no problem with it. I just realized that I've been here and I have a whole bunch of crap to do back there. So I have a lot of room to make here. And once I get all the doors and drawer fronts and all that crap out of here, I will be bringing stuff from the rental and putting it in here. Kitchen stuff hopefully should soon be able to actually go up in the kitchen. But bathroom stuff, you know, towels, sheets, all the little crap, our boxes of clothes, because we've been living out of duffel bags. Everything's got to go in here, but good thing we have a lot of room. This is a big storage bay. I love how big it is. That's one of the bonuses. I'm sitting here. I can sit upright, which is super helpful. We tried to convince Connor that he should have a bedroom down here, but he didn't think that that was the way to go about it. I would have loved it if I were his age and my parents had said, hey, we're going to do this. When I have a bed in the storage bay underneath, I'd have been like, yeah, give me a hatch on the floor. I'm on it. To be able to open up one of the side bays on either side and be able to sit out in wherever the heck you're parked, that'd be really cool. So they're all open. They've all been cleaned out. Sorry for the wind noise. Cabinet parts. More cabinet parts. More cabinet parts. Oh gosh, I love how much space there is in here. And I love that all this stuff. This is all stuff that goes in the bus. Dishwasher, faucets, storage stuff. Stuff for fiberglass. This is all crap I started bringing back from the rental because, like I said, a week. And then I figured this. We have tools and stuff, subwoofer that came out of the bus and bottle jack and welder in a box way back there or way out front on the other side.
We were in our shipping container today where most of these file cabinets are empty and I can't even see all the way to the back there. I should be in the back looking out the light front, but
There's the extra blankets.
we haven't been in here since I think fall, and we're just trying to get some stuff straightened up in here as we move out of the rental house and get a few things for the bus and move some few things into here.
It's almost like Christmas. You find stuff you completely forgot you had.
Yeah. So what are you supposed to do when you need to get rid of stuff you're downsizing and every place you can donate it to is closed?
Rollerblade brand rollerblades that Connor has grown so much since we moved that he's, you know, they're like kid size now, and he's like full grown man size.
I hate throwing stuff away. You can't have a garage sale during this COVID-19. I don't know, do you just put it on the curb with free signs on it and let the people who want to risk it themselves come and get the stuff? Throw it on Facebook Marketplace, got a pile of shit for free, want it? First come, first serve? I don't know. Any ideas?
No, I really don't.
Thanks for watching this video.
If you've been enjoying our videos, please hit the like button and subscribe.
That way you won't miss what the cabinets look like fully installed.
Yeah, they look fantastic.
We got a couple surprises in store.
Because I'm doing them.
Nancy for the win. Thanks for watching. Peace. start giggling if I try to talk. Hello, I'm Andy.
I'm Nancy.
Welcome back to our channel. Today's video,
I don't know. What
I
the
don't
hell
either.
did we do?
we put in cabinet boxes.
Uh-huh.